Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your love reading in November. Okay, the person on your mind. And tingnan natin kung anong meron sa situation. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, if you're interested sa akin pong private reading, okay? And sa ating mga items for protection from evil eye, okay? And kay Granter and kay Love Bracelet, and dun sa ating new item for your cord cutting, okay? So yeah, just message me. Okay. So this is a new deck. So, please bear with me, okay? Hindi ko pa siya talaga nakikita lahat-lahat. Pero, parang once ko pa lang siya nagamit. Oo, pero, yeah. Try ko ulit siyang gamitin. Okay, for you, Scorpio. Okay. Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, who is the person on your mind, Scorpio? The person on your mind. Anong meron sa kanya, Scorpio? Hang on. One more. Okay, Scorpio. The person on your mind. Okay. The Six of Swords. Diba? Six of Swords. Alam mo, itong taong to, pwede may nangyayaring pagdistansya sa ngayon, pero dala-dala niya pa rin yung emosyon, yung puso mo. Parang ganun. Dala-dala pa rin niya. Still attached? Still. Pwedeng air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yeah. What's with this Six of Swords? May paglayo ako nakikita from this person. Lumalayo. The Empress in reversed. Ang nawala dito is attraction. Okay? Kung nilalayuan ka ng taong to, nawala po yung attraction niya. Pero yung emosyon nandun pa rin. Okay? Some of them, ito specific, meron tong anak. Okay? Meron tong anak, parang mas inuuna lang niya yung mga responsibilidad niya bilang magulang. Okay? Kaya, yeah, may chance na nilalayuan ka niya dahil sa mga responsibilidad niya sa buhay. Hindi niya kaya sigurong pagsabayin, maybe. Okay? Pero nandun pa rin yung love nito for you. Yeah. There's no contact here, or there's breakup nga. Okay? That's nice. Nice tong ating deck, hindi yung reading, ha? Oo. Anyway. Okay. Ayaw natin na may lumalayo no? Ayaw natin yun, no? Nakaka-stress, diba, Scorpio? So, let's see. So, maybe, yung iba naman sa kanila, kung walang anak, yeah, specific kasi yun. Kung walang anak rin, mas inuuna lang nila yung mga gusto nila sa buhay, plano, goals nila, pangarap nila. Okay? Yes. Lumayo tong taong to, pero dala-dala pa rin niya yung love na meron pagdating sa'yo. Ay! Yeah. Okay. Anong situation? Tingnan natin, Scorpio, anong situation? King of Wands. So, yeah, I think merong something na pinuperso sa ngayon. May mas pinagtutuon ng pansin. What's with this King of Wands? Page of Swords. Yeah, may mga sinusubukang aralin, parang ganyan. Okay? May mga bagong tinatahak itong taong to. See? The Two of Cups. Andyan pa rin. Kahit nandyan yung breakup or yung separation. This is sad. Nalulungkot ako sa energy. Kung maaari nga lang na andyan pa rin yung communication eh. Pipiliin niya yun. Pero commitments, hindi muna. This person still likes you. Okay? They still like you. Want you. Pero napaka-logic lang talaga ng taong to sa ngayon. Okay? So what is their true emotion? Their real emotion deep down, Scorpio. Okay. The Hierophant. See, they want commitments. They want you. Kahit hindi nyo makita sa baraha. Ha? They want you. Kung makikita nyo, diba, there's that shadow behind. Parang, okay, hindi kita pakakawalan. Kahit wala ako or what. Detached pa rin ako. Attached pa rin ako. Parang ganun. Yeah. Medyo creepy yung ating cards. Pero, yeah. Anyway. They want commitments. They want you. They want you. Yeah, the Nine of Cups, Universe. Ikaw yung parang ano eh, nagbibigay ng kasiyahan. Something like, sa'yo siya nakakakuha ng, sabihin natin kung anong kailangan niya rin sa buhay. Pero sa totoo lang, talagang napaka-logic lang nitong taong to and isinaset aside lang talaga yung emotion for you. Okay? Or yung relasyon. This is sacrificing, I guess. Sacrificing. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Wands. May mga pinagdaraanan tong taong to sa ngayon. Okay? Some of you, there's this codependency. Sa totoo lang. Pero they're striving. They're fighting. Okay? Yung situation na kailanganin ka. Okay? Ito there's this side message. Hindi to para sa lahat. Meron ditong naghihintay na may anak kayo, no? Naghihintay ka sa taong to na mag-reach out. Okay? And I think andun sa isip ng taong to na i-reach out ka. Yeah, hindi malabo na hindi ka i-reach out nito. Because yeah, alam nila na kailangan. Okay, that's another message para sa iba sa inyo, hindi yan para sa lahat. Okay, so next, what is their next action? Okay. Okay, so dalawa. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. What is this? The Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Baguhin. Yung mga dapat baguhin, i-fix yung mga dapat i-fix para maalis kayo sa cycle. That is their next action. Okay, yeah, Death in reverse. This is pagbabalik. Scorpio. Okay, yeah. The King of Cups. Yeah. Hindi mo malabo eh. Kasi nga may emosyon to sa'yo. The King of Cups. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, kahit umalis ng taong to, dala-dala niya yung emosyon. Nawala lang din siguro yung attraction or something like hindi na lang muna niya pinagtutuon ng pansin yung emosyon sa ngayon. Pero yes, this person loves you. Still. This is nice. Yeah. Babalik tong taong to, Scorpio. So, ang reading na to is para ngayong November. So, may chance yung iba sa inyo makakarinig ka mula sa taong to. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo sa mga nanonood dyan, byuda na. Itong taong to, nasa makabilang buhay ng message niya for you is okay na makipagrelasyon ka na. Okay? Sa iba. Maintindihan ko. Parang ganyan. Alam ko naman, masaya ka dun. Masaya rin ako. Parang ganon. Okay? Moving forward. That's not for all. Okay? So, anong advice for you, Scorpio? So, makikipag-ayos tong taong to. May chance makipag-ayos tong taong to ngayong November. Okay? Anong advice for you? The Knight of Swords. Okay. So, sinasabi rito na i-open mo yung line of communication. Some of you kasi there's this block. Okay? Like maybe emotionally blockage. Okay? Pwedeng may ganyan. In general, there's blockage here. So, alisin mo yung blockage. Some of you, you have to communicate. You have to be open pagdating sa komunikasyon. Okay? Yung Eight of Cups. And, alisin muna yung emosyon. Okay? Kung makikipag-usap ka dito sa taong to, alisin mo yung emosyon mo. Okay? Para hindi makatrigger. Oo. Kasi every time na magsasalita tayo, ganto, ganyan, hindi mo alam kasi kung anong dahilan ng taong to. Nandun yung galit mo, syempre. Okay? Nandun yung mga, kung ano man yung mga iniisip mo before. So, may chance na pwedeng may galit dyan, may lungkot dyan, something like that. Okay, pero yun nga, sinasabi dito, just set aside your emotion muna kung makikipag-usap ka sa taong to. Okay? Yeah, Ace of Wands. There's this new beginning for the both of you. Okay? Para rin maiwasan ng failed start, if ever. Yeah. Okay? So, hindi malabo na may magkabalikan ngayong November. At magiging masaya ang kanilang kapaskuhan dahil hindi na malamig. Yes. Yeah. So, sinabi ko na. May chance. Okay? So, there. Yeah. O, diba? Anyway. Just be logic. Okay? Logic lang muna. Huwag muna tayo sa emosyon. Okay? So, Scorpio, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces, the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay. Zodiac sign you're connecting with. So, Aries. Okay, they're not talking. Pero I think some of them, meron silang isang mensahe na isa-send na lang pero hindi nila ginagawa. I don't know why. Maybe they're afraid na masaktan if ever. Okay, I don't know. There's this something. Pwedeng ayaw lang ma-ignore or whatsoever. Ma-reject. Taurus, they miss you. They miss you. Yeah. Look, oh. How creepy. Anyway. Still attached. Ayaw ka nitong pakawalan. Gemini. There's this blockage. Lalo na sa communication. There's this a little to no communication. No action rin. A little to no action coming from this Gemini. Cancer. They want to let go. They want to let go. They want to move. They want to take action. What is this? Leo. Okay, they're holding back. Virgo. Malungkot sila. Okay? Malungkot sila sa ngayon. They're unstable. They miss you. Yeah. Yeah, they want to talk. They want to talk. Libra. They want to see you. They want to know things about you. Scorpio. Being silent, cold, detached. Someone is feeling their or maybe seeing their worth, their value sa ngayon. So that is why they're choosing to be silent, to detach, to be cold. Sagittarius, nawala na yung focus ni Sag. Getting bored. Capricorn, no focus at all. Aquarius, so parang hindi na ganoon kaganda yung connection ninyo. Pwedeng wala ng mutual feelings din dito with this Aqua. Pisces, being silent. Some of them, they want to tell you things na pwedeng makakapagbigay ng clarity. Okay? Closure for some of you. Some of them, they want to say sorry. They want to express their true feelings for you. Okay? Yeah. There's drama na pwedeng kaakibat yon. Anyway, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye!